tasty recipes with Mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is masale dar beef. So let's get started. Take 5 to 6 spoons of cooking oil, 2 spoons of desi ghee. Now add a chopped onion and fry until brownish color. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until the oil separates. As the oil has separated, so now add half kg of beef. Cook it for a while. Also add some butter. Add paste of half kg of tomatoes. Take 0.4 kg of yogurt and add karahi masala in it. Mix well. Also add some water. Now add the yogurt mixture in it. Stir it for a while. Also add a teaspoon of salt. Cover the pressure cooker with its lid. As the whistling has started, so now low down the flame and cook it for 45 minutes. 45 minutes have passed. Add 5 to 6 green chilies. Also sprinkle some coriander, some ginger. Stir it for a while. Finally, it's ready. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.